Traders, I'm looking at the CADCHF. I'm going to go out to a weekly time frame. I'm interested in this break of structure right here on the weekly. See how we've got these higher lows and break of market structure here, higher high. There's some bullish momentum coming into this, BOS. Have a look at this on the daily. There's our break of this previous trend. We could alter that. Well, I mean, you know, where do you want to do that? But what's important is this break of this high, break of structure right here. So we've got these price swings, low to high, swing low, swing high, swing low, and I'm looking for that. Targets would be, well, we'll do this. That will be a target. Just call it that. Target, TP, copy that. Another target would be, well, these highs here. So, I mean, if it continues on, you could, like this balance area high here is another target. Okay, there's 3 targets we could look at. An entry point, you want to be a little bit careful. I want confirmation that this is bullish, so let's just go down to the 4 hour and we'll look at an entry, but I'll set that up as a stop loss. Now we'll go and have a look at an ideal entry, 4 hour time frame. I guess what I really want to see is, you know, I need confirmation that this is going to continue. I mean, that this could roll over here and do that, you know, so you just want to be a little bit cautious, plan your trade. And the thing that I'm going to be looking for is going to be this. Let's just pick up these highs, candle body, pull that through, candle body, low. Okay, so we've got 3 target levels to consider. We've got a stop loss level. You know what? I'm going to move my target. I'm going to look at potential entry point. Okay, here's the thing. We've got this triple bottom and we do have a spike down the lows here. So I'm just wondering now, is that the stop run prior to this move? Possibly. So what I'd like to see before I get involved would be this. So that's the kind of thing I'm looking for, and then obviously it continues on. Ultimately, that's my target up here. I want to see this range, even this range here. I want to see this broken. You know, I mean, you could look for an entry point at the retest and fail of this level here, but to be double sure, you know, that's more of a safe bet. So if we break these highs and retest and fail, okay, so that could be a potential entry. I think personally I'd go for a buy. I want to see this level cracked, retest and fail, so somewhere around here, something like that. Stop loss can go under these lows. So we're on a 4 hour chart. So what we've got here now is it's a 2R pretty much, a 2R outcome. If this fills here with the stop loss under, so the stop loss, I'm thinking. So you're looking for the trend, higher lows, higher highs. So if the previous low gets taken out, then, you know, we have a shift in market structure, okay, in the trend, right? So I want to see this trending. We've got this trend here, okay? So what we're looking for now is the shift, break of market structure, however it works out. But yeah, you want to see the rotation, break of market structure, and continuation, and then there's a trade idea. Love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment. Okay guys, that's my take on CADCHF. I mean, if this fails to set up, there's no trade. We have to break this high, retest and fail. Okay, with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.